So is your retail WAN PCI DSS 4.0 ready? If you're a CISO, you're in procurement or own compliance, you're probably hearing a lot of promises. Let's cut through it. I'm going to show you how modernizing the WAN with Cisco SD-WAN actually helps the big rocks in 4.0. So you have segmentation, you have encryption, and you have continuous monitoring across every store. First, what's changed in retail? PCI 4.0 actually tightens expectations around keeping cardholder data isolated, providing strong encryption in transit, and watching the environment continuously so you can detect and actually respond to any problems really quickly. The problem with most store networks, they weren't really built for that. They grew over time. You end up with flat VLANs, you have guest Wi-Fi that lives too close to point of sale systems, visibility that just depends on who's on shift that day. So how does Cisco SD-WAN help? Think of it as a discipline that you can just enforce everywhere, not just at your flagship locations. With Cisco, whether you're running Meraki in SD-WAN branches or Catalyst SD-WAN complex hubs, you actually define lanes and rules once, and they show up consistently at every store. Let me make it real for a second. So here's a store profile with a cardholder data in its own segment. You got staff traffic in another and guest Wi-Fi completely isolated. The paths are encrypted end-to-end, so the cardholder data is not even seen by your ISP. And because this is policy-driven, if a new store comes online tomorrow, it inherits the same separation, same encryption settings without anybody building it all by hand. So now let's zoom out to monitoring. With cloud management, I'm looking at health and security signals across all locations at once. I can see when the store drifts from baseline. I can audit which policies are applied, and I can prove that the cardholder environment never touches the guest or the IoT. If I add Umbrella for secure web and DNS, Duo for strong access, and Thousand Eyes for path visibility, I'm extending the same control and evidence everywhere.